By operating as a single unit, they can prey upon animals many times their own size. Known for their strong social bonds and communication, audibly they have an extensive vocal repertoire ranging from barking and growling to squealing and whispering. Lycaon pictus is the sole surviving member of the genus Lycaon within the family Canidae. Unlike other canids, such as wolves and domestic dogs, it is distinguished by unique adaptations, specialized for a hypercarnivorous diet, including large premolars and the absence of dew claws. The genus Lycaon diverged from its closest relatives, such as the dhole and members of the genus Canis, approximately 1.7 million years ago. This evolutionary lineage has resulted in a species highly adapted to endurance hunting and social cooperation. Commonly known as the African wild dog, painted hunting dog, and the painted wolf. There are 5 subspecies: Lycaon pictus pictus, the Cape wild dog; Lycaon pictus lupinus, East African wild dog; Lycaon pictus somalicus, the Somali wild dog; Lycaon pictus sharicus, the Chadian wild dog; and Lycaon pictus manguensis, the West African wild dog. Subspecies vary mainly in range, size, and coloration. Historically widespread across much of sub-Saharan Africa, the African wild dog's range has dramatically contracted. Today, it survives in fragmented populations scattered across Africa, including countries such as Botswana, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Kenya, Mozambique, and South Africa. The species is virtually extinct in West and North Africa and exists in low numbers in Central Africa. These populations are often isolated with limited gene flow due to habitat fragmentation. The African wild dog is renowned for its distinctive coat, which displays a mosaic of irregular patches of black, brown, yellow, and white fur. This unique coloration varies individually and may serve functions ranging from camouflage to social signaling. It has large rounded ears that enhance auditory perception and aid in heat dissipation. Its body is lean and built for stamina, with long legs and a deep chest enabling sustained high-speed chases. The skull and dentition are adapted for a carnivorous diet, featuring the largest premolars relative to body size amongst living carnivores, except for the spotted hyena. Preferring open landscapes, African wild dogs inhabit savannas, grasslands, and arid zones where visibility and space facilitate their endurance hunting strategy. They tend to avoid dense forests, which hinder their ability to pursue prey. However, they may traverse woodlands, scrub, and mountainous areas while following prey migrations or dispersing. African wild dogs are obligate carnivores, preying primarily on medium-sized ungulates. Their preferred prey includes impala, Thompson's gazelle, greater kudu, springbok, reedbuck, and occasionally larger species like Philibeus calves and zebra foals. Packs employ coordinated hunting tactics to exhaust prey through long chases, often lasting up to an hour. Smaller animals such as hares, rodents, and insects are also consumed opportunistically. Unlike many predators, African wild dogs rarely scavenge, although they have been observed occasionally appropriating kills from larger carnivores. Highly social and intelligent, African wild dogs live in cohesive packs of between 2 and 27 adults, typically led by a dominant breeding pair. The pack operates as a single hunting and caregiving unit, displaying remarkable cooperation. Hunting success rates are amongst the highest of any large predator, often exceeding 60% due to their endurance and teamwork. After a kill, adults regurgitate food not only for their pups, but also for other pack members, reinforcing social bonds. Vocalizations, body language, and scent marking facilitate communication within the pack. While African wild dogs are apex predators in their environment, they face competition and threats from larger carnivores. Lions frequently kill wild dogs when encounters occur, and spotted hyenas often steal their kills through kleptoparasitism. Adult African wild dogs stand approximately 60 to 75 centimeters at the shoulder and weigh between 18 and 36 kilograms. Males and females are similar in size, though males tend to be slightly larger. Their slender, long-legged build is optimized for speed and endurance rather than brute strength. Reproduction is typically restricted to the dominant alpha pair within the pack, ensuring cooperative care and resource allocation. After a gestation period of about 70 days, the female gives birth to a litter averaging 6 to 10 pups. The entire pack participates in the raising of the young, with all members helping to feed and protect them. Pups are initially confined to a den and gradually introduced to the pack's social and hunting activities as they mature. In the wild, African wild dogs live on average 6 to 11 years, though may succumb earlier due to predation, disease, or human conflict. In captivity, they may live longer, sometimes exceeding 12 years. Their survival depends heavily on stable social structures and sufficient prey availability. The African wild dog is classified as endangered on the International Union for the Conservation of Nature Red List, with an estimated global population of around 6,600 adults, including roughly 1,400 mature breeding individuals. Habitat fragmentation, human-wildlife conflict, and infectious diseases such as rabies and canine distemper have caused severe population declines. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, disease management, and mitigating human conflict through community engagement and protected area management.